How to upload video to Instagram with no cropping. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to upload video to Instagram with no cropping. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Instagram here. And now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application or my Instagram application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you may want to go back to your homepage and open Instagram. Now, to be able to upload a video, let's just say, let's go to here. Here because it's not cropped by the Instagram automatically. So all you have to do is to just adjust the video here. Let's say if you don't want to crop it, then just put it on smaller size or just basically fit it in there. And also, Instagram does not have any settings for cropping a video. So if you'll upload a video, then all you have to do is just resize it, move it around, but there's no options for cropping that video. Now, if you want to try to go see the post, so let's say you want to post something, you want to post this cat, and then as you can see, it's still not cropped. The whole video is there, and basically that is how you upload videos to Instagram with no cropping. And that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.